Within our One Mallorca boutique, we're pleased to present you with a selection of exclusive properties for exclusive clients just like you. This property is a representation of Mallorca in its purest form. The essence of the Mediterranean floods through this spectacular luxury villa with infinity pool and views over the sea and the romantic bay of Puerto de Andratx. One of the areas with the most glamour and beautiful people per square metre on the island. The impressive front door opens to the feeling of privilege and being in one of the best places in the world. The view of the sea, crossed by yachts and sailboats, sneaks through the doors and glazed windows. This is joined by the aroma of salt and feeling of comfort and tranquility. Few properties in Mallorca have the location and magic that this luxury villa has, ideal for the romantics, families or groups of friends with a desire to accumulate memorable experiences. One Mallorca, protecting the interests of our clients since 2013.